Good evening. Table for two, please. Right this way, please. Would you like to sit inside or outside?
Inside, please.
Oh, would you like something to drink?
I'll have a glass of water.
This place looks nice.
Yes, it feels cozy.
What do you recommend? Our pasta is very popular.
That sounds good. Let's get the pasta.
Here's your pasta.
Everything looks delicious.
How is your food?
It's really tasty.
Ma, is everything okay with your meal?
Yes, everything's great. Boss, can we have the bill, please?
Have a great evening.